Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on Sidu Space Incorporated trading here on the Nasdaq. Yeah, guys, we have here a little bit of a red day today, minus 31% while I'm recording this video here. Is that or was that predictable, and what does that mean? Yes, guys, I will show here everything in the video, and everything, of course, what I say here is based on the chart, based on the technicals, not financial advice. This is a normal pullback. We had here a big squeeze for Sidu. In total, we can see that here, and when I show you my drawings, you will see that the squeeze was very predictable. In total, we had here a squeeze of 575% in the daily chart, when we don't see now here the pre and after market price actions. And now in 2 days, guys, in just 2 days, Sidu pulled back here minus 53%. What does that mean, guys? I show you that here, and yeah, as I said, I'm not surprised, and I can already tell you right now, we have already a hidden signal here in the chart that the price has to come back up one more time. So let's switch, guys. Here I enable now the drawings for you. We have, of course, here one open gap at $1.45. Be very careful, guys. Even we have here an awesome squeeze, we have to come back sooner or later at $1.45. So if you didn't got this squeeze here for Sidu, guys, you can get here one more chance, because there will be a post squeeze, and also we have to come back here in the low $1 range. The all-time low in the chart here was $1.15 before we saw the squeeze. We had here a big breakout. Yeah, I call it no drama, no squeeze. I always say that here, guys. This is my credo. So when we switch off here for a second the indicators, you can see that we had this massive gap down here from $2.58 here back to $1.16. So Sidu is used to it to lose here 50% in just 2 trading days. It was the same here. We accumulated, and this open gap, which we then had here at $2.17, yeah, got really quickly filled by this candle, and that initiated the short squeeze. And what was good, guys, or what is good, what is the specialty about this squeeze right now? You can see that the previous attempt, which we had here back in August 2024, we also had here a squeeze in total of 147%, but that time here we could not break this major trend channel pattern. So I will zoom out if you didn't see my previous videos, guys. Yeah, Sidu is trading here in a trend channel pattern. Very, very bearish, of course. Yeah, this is not bullish, guys. Don't get me wrong, not bullish. But we can see that Sidu was trapped here in this trend channel pattern, and since April 2023 we playing here ping pong in this trend channel pattern, and there was no way to break out of this trend channel. You can see we just accumulated here from March 2024. I will zoom in for you again, guys. So we start to build here December 2023, Sidu start to build this micro trend channel pattern in this bigger macro trend channel pattern, and you can see then we had one breakout attempt in August and failed. Then we start to trade sideways here, and that was the beginning to leave this main trend channel. What does that mean, guys? That the algos, yeah, which compressed the price here over the past years for Sidu, are not in control anymore, and that is also one of the reasons why Sidu started to have a massive squeeze here from $37 to $100, guys. You can see the top of this trend channel is more or less something like a squeeze support if the volume is big enough, and now we can see for the actual squeeze which we have that we're trading outside of this trend channel pattern, and this is why we have to focus here on so-called make it or break it price levels. My personal price prediction was that Sidu has the chance to come back to $5.86. You can see my previous videos. This is where I said I expect the market makers to step in, because every price over this price level here can cause even a bigger squeeze, and that's why it was panic mode on for the short sellers here. You can see we had here two attempt to break $5.86. Yes, the price was above that, but you can see that we could not close a daily candle over this price level here, and this is very important for trading algos, guys. And you can see that is the main resistance still for this ticker here, and that's also the reason why we see this kind of gap down right now. Is the squeeze over, guys? No, not yet. Of course, it would be better when we trade here over $4.47. This Fibonacci level here is very important for squeezes, but as long as we trade above $2.65, and I will show you that also here in the chart, guys. It's not only the Fibonacci retracement. I will make this a little bit more invisible for you, that you can see the candles better. In my opinion, guys, we have here a support line, a bullish algo line here at $2.94. I think, yes, I think here are the algos waiting to support or sell off the price for Sidu. So we draw this here in the chart, that you know here is something like a make it or break it price level for a squeeze. In my opinion, it would not be too bad to come below that price level for 1 or 2 days, because then we have a perfect retracement here based on Fibonacci. But for now, everything here between $2.93 and $2.66 is more or less a perfect retracement here for a post squeeze. I said in the beginning, we have here a hidden signal in the chart. We know that here is one open gap at $4.60. So in my opinion, yeah, if we don't find already support today, I want to see that the price is coming down here to these levels here, and then we have a post squeeze at least back to $4.60 to close the open gap. We can of course even drop lower than that and squeeze later. This is also possible. Don't forget, we have this open gap at $1.45, so sooner or later this gap will get filled. But in the perfect world, yeah, when I talk here about a perfect trading world, then we retrace back here to $2.66, maybe a few cents lower. Of course, everything is here possible, but then the post squeeze should be back to this price level here, and this is still a 73% post squeeze play, guys. Yeah, if this, and that is a good thing, guys, that if we start to do the post squeeze and we don't come lower than that afterwards, that we stay the price here between $4.47 and $3.72, then we could see here the second squeeze, which break $5.86, and then of course we have much higher price targets here for Sidu, guys. $12.56 is just one of the next price level which I see. There is a resistance waiting at $9.87. I also draw that for you in the chart. I think it's not a super strong resistance. I would say here, yes. Here is one resistance price level as well, where we could get rejected, but as I said, not a super strong resistance. I think when we break $5.86, the way here back to the 2-digit price ranges is open for Sidu, guys. I predicted many squeezes in 2024. I will continue to do that in 2025. I personally think that we see here a lot of squeezes coming in January 2025 and in the upcoming months. It's just a matter of time until we see a market correction as well. So don't get me wrong, but I also predicted here many squeezes during the Christmas time here. 5 big squeezes in 7 trading days, guys. Everything here between 107 and 480%. As I said, I post here swing trade squeeze trigger or the squeeze tickers on Patreon, and of course my very popular hot stocks. And when I post tickers like that, I expect them to squeeze in the very few next days. So I always make here squeeze predictions and release every Sunday my so-called hot stock videos where I present tickers with high squeeze potential, guys. So if you want to see some short squeeze stocks here for 2025, then you can of course join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You get a lot of content here because that is just continuing to grow here every day, and of course every day new members joining in. So the community really went really big in 2024, and we of course will always grow also in 2025. So yeah, I'm very excited for that, guys. And if you also want to become part of that, you can click here the info icon in the corner to get access to my Patreon full package member link, guys, and you get access to all this content here. So guys, now Sidu, what's the game plan? For me personally, this is not financial advice. This is what I will do. I wait here for the pullback. I will not buy in before $2.96. If Sidu starts to squeeze before, I'm out, guys. I will miss that squeeze. No worries. I have so many squeezes here and a lot of tickers already here still active in the pipeline on Patreon, guys, which just waiting here to break out. So I will not be sad to miss that. But when Sidu pulls back here to $2.66 or lower, $2.96, also 90 here and 60 or a little bit lower, I'm in, guys, for the post squeeze play here, for the golden pocket, and for $4.60, where is the open gap waiting, guys. Of course, I will update here on this ticker, and if you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, as I said, the next price call here $9.78, small resistance, $12.56, the next open gap to the upside. And if you want to copy here my price levels from the chart, this is everything based on TradingView. Now it's the chance, guys, new year, new chances, yeah, 2025. If you want to become a trader by yourself, yeah, you need a good chart program. That's why I always use TradingView for my videos here and of course for my own trades. And if you also want to get TradingView, I can invite you here to use my discount link. You will save $15 on the premium tier. This is what I recommend, and when you click the info icon here in the corner, you get access to the special $15 discount link. So my friends, that was the update on Sidu. If you don't want to miss any updates here, and if you like this content here, guys, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate that. I thank you for your time and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.